Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Tacoma headlight, updated. Park on level ground, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and gather a 10mm socket, ratchet, and trim tool. I will walk you through removing the bumper cover clips, unbolting the headlight, and unplugging the harness safely. Follow each step at a steady pace and keep fasteners organized so reinstall goes smoothly and you avoid surprises. Start by prying out the plastic clips along the bumper edge and unbolting screws in the wheel well using a 10mm socket. Gently pull the inner fender liner back to access hidden fasteners and detach the bumper from the fascia by releasing tabs with a trim tool. Keep each fastener with its corresponding piece so reinstall is simple, and check for any hidden bolts under the grille or near the headlight area. With the bumper loosened, locate and remove the headlight mounting bolts and any bracket screws using a ratchet and extension as needed. Support the assembly with one hand, then disconnect the harness and bulb connectors by pressing the release tabs. Gently wiggle and pull the headlight straight out to clear mounting points and wiring, inspecting clips and seals for wear so you can replace or clean them before reinstalling the new or service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.